freezing out here. Wish the wind would stop blowing. So let me just move that out a little bit. I gotta tighten up that screw in the center. Made this, guys, at 100% scrap metal. Antenna for TV, free TV antenna. It's some kind of carpet molding made out of aluminum. In the center, I do have a piece of foam separating the two. We got our wires connected here. They run down here and connect into the cable. Now you can just screw you could just hook up a what do you call those things, a bomb for a cable, and just screw your cable into it. I do it a little differently. I have a lot of cut ends of cable, so I just wire mine in, and it just comes down here to the end, guys. I have a little thing here it's going to connect to my TV, a little adapter. So I have another cable coming out of my TV already, so I'm just going to connect onto this, and we're going to see how it goes, guys. It's pretty cool. They're very easy to make, guys. I do have a scrap channel. It's called Outback Treasure. Go check out that channel. That's I pretty much found these years ago, a couple of years ago, I believe. A whole bunch of this stuff here. Cut it in half, drilled holes. Got it on a piece of scrap wood. Got some scrap tape from a dumpster dive, and the cable I got from a dumpster dive here. So enough said. Let's go get the TV and the remote and see if we get this thing connected. I'm gonna hang it up for now up here if I can, because I got a lot of scrap around, stuff like that around here. So let's see if we could just hook it behind here, just like that, and see if we get any channels. All right, guys, 17 channels. See what happens. It's cold out here, man. I can't wait for it to warm up some. It's very cold. Wind blowing. It's 50, but cold wind blowing. That's why you hear the chimes in the background. Come on to 51%, guys. Once it gets a little bit higher, I'll turn this on, and then we can see if there's any more channels or not. 55. Okay, guys, we're at 97, 17 channels still. Oh, we got channels, guys. Oh, this is basically a news channel. Let me see if I can turn this here. This is the news channel. Comes in real good too. 16:2.
Science will discover what?
22:1. Wow. 22:2.
The pandemic and moving.
Oh, not that great.
It's up to you.
22:3. Not bad. 22:4. Cozy TV. 28:1. Golf. 28:2. Laugh channel. 28:3. Grit.
I won't be going out with you.
Good
I
job,
won't be
man.
here when you...
28:4.
Where's your mom?
I'm not sure. 44:1.
Cento, trust your family with our family.
44:2.
Viewers like you, thank you.
44:3.
Sponsored by the following.
Bonnie plans.
56:1. No signal. 56:2. 56:3. So there's a few with no signals. The freaking wind is blowing too. Let's see what we got. 56.4. I know we had a couple of 156 channel before, but okay, obvious that's the end. So we got quite a few channels, guys.
Stainless steel wrap, great for toast.
Not bad.
Bonus number 3.
Not bad at all.
Baking tray, perfect for roasting a
And I could tune those other 50s channels in if I just turn it. Probably turn it from this way to this way and get more channels. So it's all where you turn it. You gotta find out where your TV's coming, different areas, different directions your TV's coming from. This way, that way, you know. So you gotta have multiple antennas facing at this channel, facing at that channel, in the back here. You need one facing this way, you need one facing that way. So 3-dimensional channels. So you add 2 more channels into the 3-way splitter, boom, you're gonna have a lot of channels.